So I received my package today from CJ, who is my swap partner for Reneabouquet's March Altered Notebook swap. And I'm probably just now getting around to posting the video of what I made for her and how I made it. So these two videos are going to be close together, but really they're recorded about a week apart. So I went ahead and just took everything out of the box, and I am going to start right here. And we have our altered notebook in my favorite colors. Purple is and teal, so she actually has both of them, which is really cute. You could see here she did some modeling paste with the stencil. That looks really cute. The bricks, and then they have some beads here and there, and I really like these chipboard pieces, which I guess they're leaves for the flowers. You see that pretty. And then we both decided to use dragonflies, but I think I like hers better. If y'all can see, the tail has clear rhinestones on it. Make it see better on this one. She has another one up here, and mine was just excuse me, mine was just plain. I didn't see that when I was purchasing Reneabouquet. And they even have you can see the teal one there, but right in front of it, if you could see it, they have two little rhinestones there also. And that's printed, her Reneabouquet's printed board. Beautiful board, I believe is what she called it. And some pretty lace. That is really cute. Thank you, CJ. And it looks, she took out, or added, to me it looks like she added these clear rhinestones inside of the flower. It may have come that way, but I don't think I've seen it before, so she may have added those on there. And then we have some little happy mail to go along with it. Ah, I love these pouches. Let's see what we got. Oh, I told her my favorite color was purple and teal. Oh, she sent me some dragonflies. That is cute. And guess what? They're purple and teal. That's really cute. And these have this one has the stones at the bottom. I think this one's glitter. I don't know if y'all can see through that cellophane. And she sent me some little beads with matching colors. So come, if I can get this little bag open. That looks like Reneabouquet's rainbow tails. I have the large version of it, but I do not have the purples. I'm excited about those. And we have some bluish, blue-green flowers. I guess they would be roses. And purples. Yeah, see. Not, well, maybe, I don't know if she put those in there, those stones in there or not. And the purple rose. And some little yellowish roses. There. And some trim, like a sticker. And of course we have some dots. Oh, these are chipboard pieces. That's really neat. I've never seen those before. And then Cloud 9 Design. There's some sticker. There are 3-dimensional letters. And then 3-dimensional numbers. And then it looks like some sticker pieces. Heidi Grace, which I've never heard of her either. But those are really cute. They feel pretty thick. Oh, there's some on the back. Oh, they're chipboard not chipboards. They're just punch outs. And they're stickers. Sorry, they are stickers. This one's cute. Satin sticker words. I guess I could have just read the top, huh? Flocked cardstock stickers. And I don't know if y'all could tell. Let me take it out of here. But it's almost like it's a fabric. You don't see that? They have almost like a fabric texture to them. That is cute. Then we have Heidi Grace, some rub-ons, some numbers, and real pretty script lettering. This one, clear word stickers. Lovable, imagine, sweetheart, peace, care, remember. That's cute. And then this one here is chipboard. It's Heidi Grace punch board embossed. I like the colors. They're really vibrant. Look at the little swing tabs you can use down here. And then more punched. Oh, those are really cute. Look, friends. And there's a couple of squares. That is really cute, CJ. I like it a lot. And thank you very much for sending this to me. I always love doing some swaps and getting to meet other crafters. And I will put down in the description box below, CJ does have a YouTube channel. It's CJ Corner Scraps or just Corner Scraps, but I'll definitely put a link to her channel and y'all can go over and check her out. Alright, see y'all again soon.